Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300. This is the SE model that has approximately 16,500 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the standard features, this one has a nice fender eliminator kit, an aftermarket exhaust, a smoked windscreen, some nice adjustable levers. It also has a couple stickers on it. You'll notice the previous owner was into stickers, which kind of makes it stand out a little different than other bikes. Also has a GoPro mount on the back. The bike's been gone through by our service department and been given a clean bill of health, and it's dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at ContraCostaPS.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 45 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.